The emission-free EZ26 E-Compact Excavator, the high-energy powerhouse. Built for applications where performance and precision meet. The zero-tail design allows for safe slewing even in confined areas, ideal for urban construction sites, interiors, or directly along walls. Thanks to its electric drive, the EZ26E operates completely emission-free and almost silently, perfect for noise-sensitive environments. With its flexible charging options, it remains ready for use at all times, whether at a domestic socket or a high-voltage power connection. In stationary grid operation, it can even continue working while charging. The spacious cab with 7-inch display, intuitive jog dial, and programmable parking heater ensures relaxed and efficient work. The proven 3-part windshield system offers the right setting for every taste. And to ensure you are always on the safe side, the active working signal clearly indicates when the machine is active. The EZ26E, modern, powerful, and environmentally friendly.